All right, we're about to install this Voswitch, VO switch, however you say it, on my Gladiator. It's the JL800. Just with some stickers, instructions, some zip ties, hardware. I think this is the actual Yep. So the JL800, it's an 8-switch module that goes on the grab handle. I'm gonna install mine on the driver's side. I think it's meant for the passenger, not sure. But yeah, you can put different stickers on here depending on what lights you have. I haven't seen anyone installing it or make an install video of it. So I'm going to try to make this video for you guys. This is the actual switch, goes underneath the hood. The wiring, it has a bracket attached. So stay tuned. We're going to put it in that thing. So first thing is you remove this bolt and you apply the switch to the passenger side, and then they give you this extra bolt to put on there. But before all that, you have to remove the negative terminal off your battery, and then you mount this up, and then you run the inside controller wire, which is this wire, to the inside of the cab. In order to do that, I ran mine through here, got it under there, and then just shot it through there, all the way through to the other side. So you have to remove this cowl hood panel on the driver's side, and then that wire runs through there, all the way through here, this wire right here. Runs all the way through that hole that I showed you guys, all the way through there. You can't really see it on the inside. So you run it through here, and then you have to take off the 4 screws on your windshield. On the inside of your windshield, you have to take off the 4 screws to flip the windshield forward a little bit, so you can pass this wire through to the cab. After you pass the wire through, you take this cap off and you drill a hole right there. Drill a hole right there, about 20 millimeters. And then you take off a screw right there. Then you pop the bottom cap off. And you take off another screw here. And this is the wire coming from the engine bay into the cab. And this is where that switch panel is going to go. So there's the switch mounted. Basically just goes over the grab handle. You don't remove it completely. It just goes over it. You do have to take out the whole thing though to get the wire through and get it through that hole. And I would recommend taking off the speaker cover here. And then the little tabs that go here on the inside, which are these right here, they go there. You just pull them off. And then from there, you're going to have to pull the excess wire to the other side, which goes right there. Zip tie it, hide it, put the scoop over it. You're not going to be able to see it. All right, quick recap of what we just did. So first, you're going to unplug your negative cable from the battery. Then you're going to hook this circuit board mounted onto the passenger side with the existing screw and the provided screw. And then you're going to run this wire from here all the way through there to the other side, to the driver's side. and then you're going to remove the pillar cover, pass that wire through there, and then unscrew the 4 bolts on your windshield to get it inside the cab. Once you get it in the cab, you're going to take off the screw cover on top, drill a 20 to 22 millimeter hole, remove that screw, remove the bottom screw, remove the speaker cover, pass the wire through. You're going to have to tilt the windshield forward a little bit. Once you pass that wire through, you're going to pass it through the hole you just drilled, connect it to the light control module, which is this right here. And then once you connect it to the control module, connect the wire to it, you're going to put this cover over the grab handle, and then screw it back on the top and bottom. Once you screw it back, you then pull the wire, the excess wire, as much as possible and hide it under there. And then you can go ahead and connect your positive wiring to the battery and your ground, which is, this is ground right here. And then you connect your this positive wire with the circuit right here. You connect it to the positive battery terminal, plug all that up. After you plug all that up, then you're good to go. The switch should turn on, and then you can go ahead and start setting up auxiliary lighting. That should be another video. I might do one. I'm not sure yet. I ordered the LP6s, Baja design. I'm waiting for those to come in. And so I decided to run the light control switch without the ignition wire. You can run a wire to your battery, so whenever you turn your vehicle on, this works only when you turn the vehicle on. But I didn't do that because I wanted it to turn on without me having the vehicle on. So see, it turns on, it lights up blue. It's pretty bright. I haven't hooked up any auxiliary lighting yet, but when I do, I'll put stickers on here depending on what I hook up, and then you can just turn it off. I have no key in the ignition. The truck's not on. That's what I wanted in case I was out somewhere and, you know, someone had the keys or something, and I could just go in here and turn it on, turn it off. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try my best to answer them. But I'll make another video with the auxiliary lighting hooked up. Thanks.